today, again, we're here with just the mono sound. You're probably wondering, man, does she hate us? No, I adore you guys. And this is probably a really good time to figure out maybe some of the things that could help you relax after a long day of work. Because stuff is hard, life is hard, and it's hard not knowing how to de stress yourself. So, let me just make some sounds with my fingers, tapping on surfaces soft and hard, and I'll tell you what they are, okay? And this is just for fun, just for you to relax. Maybe guess what the sound is. It's only to relax your mind and rest. De stress yourself. You deserve relaxation, okay? Mwah. Mwah. You can guess that one correct. So, after a hard day of work, you lay down, and here I come. Okay? Let's try making an easy one, okay? Ready? Can you guess what that is? It's pretty soft. Not too hard, but it's pretty firm. It's a mouse pad. Very nice, soothing to the ears. Really nice, right? Well, let me do something else. Something that will hopefully be a better memory. Ready? Can you guess what this is? If you said me writing you a love letter, you're correct. I'm kidding. Maybe not. But this, I am typing on a keyboard. I really love the tapping of keyboards. Sometimes I like it really fast, or just really slow and taking their time. What do you guys prefer? Do you like really fast typing? Or really slow, down to the detail? Very nice, and listening to what they have to type. I actually enjoy both. It really makes people love typing, especially listening to the sounds just makes me love typing even more. Now, maybe here's a little harder one, okay? Now, this is something you guys might not have, but I have. It's how I do a lot of things. Ready? Can you hear it? Well, if you guess an art tablet, you're correct. See, maybe not many of you guys have this, but I use it to draw for you guys and for me. So, if you're being good, I'll make sure to draw you in whatever pose you want, okay? Now, I'll have one more thing before we head off, and hopefully it was relaxing hearing some different sounds, maybe some of the same sounds, but knowing that each sound is just very unique and very comforting, because I don't want a lot of sounds to be harsh or jarring, but it's always gonna be nice. Oh, and now is the sound very different from all the rest. The first one we had was a mouse pad, which was pretty obvious. The second one was a keyboard. Third was a monitor, an art monitor. And this one is a cup. So I can pour my tea and your tea so we can drink together. Or if you prefer coffee, I'll make whatever your heart desires as long as you had some rest. And I hope you relaxed. Because this is all what it's about, to relax, wind down, and be sure to take care of yourself because you matter the most. Please take care of yourself, and if you have any suggestions of what you want me to do, please let me know. I'm thinking of maybe doing some short stories for the next time. Maybe some more keyboards, maybe something else. But I just wanted to give you this time as the perfect girlfriend that I am to give you some less stress. Now, rest up, drink water, and relax. You're doing amazing. Mwah. I'm proud of you. Mwah.